how to create your own Kahoot quiz game. So if you want to create your own Kahoot quiz game, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser. And once you open up your browser, you need to search for Kahoot. Once you've searched, go with kahoot.com, which is on the first. And now you need to go with login, which is on the top right. And make sure to log in to your account. So enter your information and then go with login. Once you've logged in, you will again have the create section, which is on the top right. And once you click on create, you will have Kahoot. Just simply click on Kahoot. And now you can go with a blank canvas or Kahoot generator or based on the PDF or based on the topic. So I'll just simply go with a blank one. Now here you can insert your media, you can upload your file, or you can also insert some images. Once you insert, then you can go with your first answer, like your first option, second option, third option, and then fourth option. And you can go with add more answers if you want to add more answers to it, or you can also add question, which is here on the left side. So in this way, you'll be able to create your own Kahoot quiz game. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.